Hi guys, welcome to Wilbur's how-to video. I hope you enjoy this one, and again it's friend takeover. Today it's me, Emmy, and today I'll be teaching you how to animate videos. So hopefully if you can see, this is one of my basic ones. So it's quite simple and you can use many things, and today I'll be teaching you how to make one. If you want to you can pause the video and download this app called Stop Motion. It costs £5 to get all the pro features, but the one without the money is perfectly fine. So I advise you download that now. Okay, I'll leave you while you can watch this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching that. Now we're going to go straight on to the animating. So there are some things you'll need. You'll need a background. So you can print these out, or you can use anything, just a blank white piece of paper. I've printed this off, and it's you take it on the other side. So I'll be using this one. Then you'll need some characters. Okay, so you can use Lego, Playmobil, clay, but I'll be using Lego just because I realise most of you, so I'll just grab a quick character. Okay, and then one thing, you need to start thinking about your plot for the story. So something. Okay, so here we go. Got one person. So you got our person and our story. But the most important one, number 3, is we need a plot. So I'm going to go a bit simple and just choose a robbery. So that's easy. We can easily get that done. Alright, so you also want some props maybe, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've got a few more things, so a car, table, a diamond and a phone. And don't be afraid to be creative. I've got the robber disguised as Santa. Okay, so right, then this is where the app comes in. Okay, so we're on the app now. We're going to press new movie. You see all these buttons here, don't get puzzled, or whatever we say it. All you need to really worry about is that camera button. Okay, and we'll need that later. So let's get started. At the moment, it's just this is please. I've been having many issues, as this is my 4th try on this video. So, okay, let's reset. So we want the lady to come driving over happily. So I'll tell you loads of tips. So I've done animating, not amputating. Don't worry, I'm not that scary. And so what we want to do is take a photo at a time. So I always find that if you do one photo, it looks like they're rushing, but she doesn't want to break the speed limit. She's a nice lady. So we're just going to make her slowly going across. Not too fast, but another tip is make sure your background doesn't move around too much, otherwise it can look a bit odd, like the world is ending, if you like. Don't worry, it won't. We're gonna get it there. That should do it. Okay, now let's think. Then always need to compare it to real humanity. So how would we get a car? We wouldn't just go like that. Woo! We'd turn around first before jumping out of the. No, we would not jump out of the car. It's just this poor ladies don't have any windows. Think about it. So the car's moving around a lot. Please don't do that. I mean, you'd have time to go back and edit it, but I'm a bit short time. She can't just suddenly turn. We need to make her do about, I don't even know what that angle is, but kind of half between 90, 45 and 90, so I don't even know what that is. I'm a bit short on time, so I can't do the maths. So I'm going to make a walk over to, excuse me, walk over to the picnic table, and so this might happen. You just want to adjust wherever you are. Make sure that's why I have that. So I want to make sure that's one, and that's not from the middle, but up a bit. Okay, so after she can see her, there's a ghost. We want to move her forward because that was the last shot. She's excited now. She's not. She's running over to the picnic one. Now let's make her do a trick. What should we make her do a trick? Let's just add a little bit of fun. So we're going to make her fall on her face. Then we're going to get the blue tack and make her do a headstand. Sorry, I have a real sense of humour. Make her do a headstand so we can see that's where she was. We want to put her head in the same time, just because I feel like it. Luckily my desk is white, so the blue tack doesn't show. Then we're going to make her fall on her back and suddenly just magically teleport. No, that's not going to happen, sadly, guys. I'm a bit short on time, so it's not going to be perfect. I'm going to make her stand up and then jump onto the bench. Okay, when I've done this, I will pause the video and maybe you can try yourself or something, and then then I'll come back and I'll show you the finished result. Okay, that should do it. Yep. Okay, so after our funny roly-poly, I hope you enjoy making yours. I'll show you it in a minute. If you guys enjoyed today's video, and please subscribe to How To. Big shout outs to Erin, Freya, Wilbur, Carlos, Thomas, Alice, Olivia, and everybody else in the How To team. Oh, and Ethan too. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. It was very fun, and I hope you find it fun too. Bye!